Hi guys, good day. So today I'm going to show you how are you how are you going to learn HTML. Okay. So if I'm going to learn HTML, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, let me share you. So let me share my screen. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is to search HTML. Okay, on Google. Okay, as you can see here, there's this W3 school that I mentioned on my other videos or previous videos. Yep, you can use this. Okay, this is where I learn HTML. This is my go-to page website when learning or checking syntax or learning HTML. Okay, let's check that. Then another one is, let's go back here. Oh, there's HTML.com, w3org. That's another one. I like the Musilla one. To our point, let's go down to Musilla. Oh, why is that there? So there's this Code Academy, Peter Host, really? MDN. Okay, okay, this here it is, Mozilla.org. It's another website that is used uh, by most developer. Okay, this is Mozilla. I wonder why it's not on the top search on Google, but it should be there. Okay, so you can use this uh, w3school.com. It's very easy to learn. As you can see, they have a lot of example like this one. So this is the basic HTML format or template. Okay, there's this doc type. This is how you'll know that this is a HTML5. So it's best that you learn the latest technology. So that's HTML5. Then this is the how do you start creating HTML. This is very basic HTML. So if you try it, it will work. Okay, this is the output. You can even copy this to your notepad. Let me show you now. Paste it to your notepad. Save as. Mhm. Test. Okay, test the HTML. HTML or HTML, you can save it just like that. Then you can go to your browser. Yeah, excellent. This is the one I test. I saved and you can run it in Google. Then you can see this is it. Okay, this is your first HTML. This is setting. This is the paragraph. Okay, maybe we should change that to modify it in Notepad and change it to Hello World. Okay, because usually we do Hello World first. Let's not break the tradition. Okay. It, you can you can actually refresh it here. Okay, reload. Then Hello World. Okay. So that's your first HTML code. So as you continue here, you just learn all of this. You see, there's a lot of topic about HTML. You begin with the basic. This one, just follow this. This is a really good site. Try to learn something here every day. Just one page introduction. What editors you can use. Okay, Notepad. Okay, if you are a really good programmer, you use Notepad. Okay, if you're a genius. Okay, but sometimes I do use Notepad because they're simple, very easy to edit using Notepad if you know what you're going to do. But of course, most of the time I use an IDE like the Visual Studio Code, Studio, and you can use a lot of other editor. You can learn that on another blogs or videos that I'm going to create. But right now, I just teach you how to learn HTML. So So you follow all of these things. You can copy the code, try it. The best thing to do is not just read, but to try. Keep trying all the sample here. That's good about this site. HW3 School. There's a lot of sample, and you can try it on the page. You don't even need an editor. You just can change things here. You can run like this one page test one and it changes it. You can see the output. So this is a really good site. I love this site. I always use this when I need something and I try something. I just go here and try it here. Okay, that's one thing. HTML. Okay, I will do the same for learning other technology like CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP. Almost all web dev technology are here. Swap, jQuery, and a lot more here. See? Oh, there's a C sharp here. That's unbelievable. They even have a C sharp. And you can test it here. Wow. That's cool. You know, to be able to test C sharp on the web. Okay, that's good. So you can try C sharp here. So that's what I'm going to do. Then for additional reference, you can go to MDN web docs and read. It's good to know what's the meaning of hypertext markup language. It's good to read this. Try to read this part. Um, there are tutorials here that you can follow. Introduction to HTML. Just follow this. This is a good documentation that you can use. Okay, but I will try to double three school first, then I will read additional information and MDN web docs. And of course, I go to YouTube, search also in YouTube, and do some Udemy as well. But just focus on one thing. Just focus on W3 school for the meantime. And for additional knowledge, you read this MDN web docs. Then go to YouTube for more samples, see how people do things, and Udemy for sample free courses. You can even buy the the courses in Udemy are very cheap. It's just worth 500 pesos, and you can buy it. It's very cheap, and yep, you can learn HTML by doing what I'm doing. So after HTML, you do CSS, and then you do JavaScript, and then you do SQL, you do Bootstrap, you do jQuery. Do they have some XML? Yeah, try some XML as well. Try C Sharp, machine learning, JSON, Ajax, a lot of here, and try Visual Basic if you can. Yeah, it will take you a lot of time. Just take your time learning. Be sure you understand the concept behind it, and yeah, that's how you learn. Okay, that's all for today, guys, and thank you. Have a good day.